Skin Whitening Home Remedies: Lemon, Colgate Toothpaste, and Tomato Facial. Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you're excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. Want even skin tone? Alright, in this video, you will discover the step-by-step secrets to uncovering your natural beauty. The great news is you will not hear anything here that is damaging to your skin. Everything I will share with you is as nature intended it. But before we get started, it is important to understand what causes uneven skin. Once you know that, you will understand what skin whitening is. You will also understand why treating it is beneficial to your skin. So why should I lighten my skin? This is a common question. The fact you were born with even skin, newborns have perfect skin. The problem is, as the years go on, we all develop blemishes. This is due to things like UV damage, free radicals, inflammation, pollution, and skin damage. The goal of skin lightening is to get your skin to its natural state. However, there has been a lot of warning against skin lightening lately. The reason is, there are many skin lightening and whitening products that contain dangerous chemicals like hydroquinone and mercury. We recommend you should avoid any products with these chemicals. So which natural beauty remedy can I use for skin whitening? Here are some of them and how it works. Ingredients: tomato juice, lemon juice, Colgate toothpaste with flour, turmeric powder. Next, let's look at how each of these ingredients works. Tomato. When it comes to skincare, tomatoes are one of my favorite and most effective remedies for clear and clean skin. Not only are these humble, robust red balls full of nutrients, but also highly effective in healing and clarifying the skin. Tomatoes contain high contents of potassium with vitamin C. This transforms the dullest of skins and restores glow to the skin. Tomatoes also have lycopene, which is an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals in the body. Apart from this, it helps treat skin problems related to aging and sun damage, therefore making it a great rejuvenator. Loaded with antioxidants, they are known to lighten dark spots and helps the skin remain youthful as well as brighter. Tomatoes work as a natural astringent that helps tighten the skin as well as shrink large pores, leaving the skin tight and glowing. Other specific functions of these robust red balls include reduces oiliness. Not only are tomatoes excellent to reduce oiliness, but they also help keep the skin cleaner and tighter. Tomatoes help reduce open pores and blackheads. Act as a skin lightener. Not only do tomatoes act as an astringent, but also help wake up the dullest of skins. Reduces effects of sunburn. Loaded with vitamin C and A, not only does tomato give the skin a fresher and fairer look, but it helps to reduce the effects of sunburn as well. Tomato skin toner. When it comes to skincare, most people do not realize the importance of a toner. Believe me, it is more than essential. Not only does it keep your skin supple and soft, but also naturally hydrates it, giving it a natural sheen. Lemon juice. Can I use lemon juice to lighten skin? Great news! You can use lemon juice to lighten your skin. This is due to the high concentration of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. This means a humble lemon can be used to treat acne damage, dark spots, freckles, and other forms of hyperpigmentation. The vitamin C or ascorbic acid in lemon juice lightens the skin by reducing melanin. Melanin is a pigment that gives your skin, eyes, and hair its color. Melanin in our skin, however, has an important role to play in protecting us from the sun's UV rays. Unfortunately, our skin sometimes produces too much melanin, resulting in dark spots. These dark spots can be treated with lemon juice. The vitamin C in lemon juice contains a powerful antioxidant that helps to minimize the cell damage caused by free radicals and it has been proven to stimulate the production of skin collagen. Vitamin C is also water-soluble, so it can be readily absorbed into the skin to protect the non-water-soluble molecules located within cell membranes. So applying vitamin C can help the skin to become stronger with a more even complexion. For this reason, it is often used in anti-aging products to promote skin peeling and regrowth. Toothpaste. From household cleaning to beauty uses, toothpaste is often cited as a homemade treatment for your skin that can help counter acne. Toothpaste is a daily essential for almost every single person on this planet. It whitens, brightens, cleans your teeth and tongue, but did you know it has many other uses? Toothpaste is often cited as a homemade treatment for your skin that can help counter acne and lighten things up. With flour. Melanin is the major factor behind the skin's color, and excess production of this pigment in the body causes black or brown spots on the face. By using this simple ingredient, you can get rid of these dark spots and make your skin look a tone brighter. Whole wheat flour is a storehouse of vitamin E. This is an antioxidant which encourages the growth of anti-inflammatory compounds and controls skin aging. So instead of wasting money on chemical-laden cosmetic products, just give a try to these natural products and get the permanent glow. Turmeric powder. While turmeric is often used as a spice in foods and also as a natural dye for clothes, there are other several uses of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains a substance called curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. A salve made from turmeric can reduce the inflammation from piles. Turmeric clears acne scars when used regularly and leaves your skin glowing. It has antiseptic properties that can accelerate the healing of cuts and scrapes. Turmeric is also used as a tooth whitening paste when mixed with coconut oil and baking soda. It may seem counterintuitive to use a spice that dyes things yellow to whiten skin, but it works. Procedure. Cut tomato into two. Grate the tomato. Strain the juice out of tomatoes into a clean bowl using a sieve and make a paste. Add toothpaste. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1/2 tablespoons of lemon juice to form a thick paste. Add 1 teaspoon of wheat flour. Mix thoroughly. Wash off after 15 minutes with water or leave on overnight if you wish. Although be aware that the turmeric mask will stain bed covers and any fabric that comes in contact with it. So cover your bed with old bed sheets or towels to protect it. Note: don't use soap as this will stop the paste from working. How often should I use this? You can use this paste daily until your skin reaches the desired shade. Find this video interesting? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos. From Herbal Corner.